Hi everyone, it's Emily from the admissions office at Gannon. Today I want to talk to you about two very important pieces of the finalizing financial aid process. Both of them have to do with your student loans. The first deals with your master promissory note, or your MPN, and the second is loan entrance counseling. Both of these steps do have to be completed should you decide that you want to take out your federally funded direct student loans from the U.S. government. So right now I'm going to screen share with you a shot from Gannon's financial aid page. If you were to go to gannon.edu/financial aid as seen here, you would see that most of you have already completed the first 3 steps of the financial aid process. The first thing we're going to talk about is step 4, completing the Federal Direct Student Loan Master Promissory Note, MPN for short. So your eligibility for your student loan is probably indicated on your award letter. That is just us letting you know that you do qualify for them. But you still are required to complete your master promissory note. You need to log into the federal website with your FSA ID. That is the same FSA ID that you would have used when filing the FAFSA. We highly recommend that all students take care of submitting their MPN by May 15th of the year that you plan to enroll at Gannon. So for all of you admitted seniors out there, that's this May 15th of 2020. We encourage you to have your MPN completed. If you're on our financial aid website, you can click the link located right here. And what that will do is that will take you out to the federal site. Once you're on the federal site, you go up to complete the aid process and come down to complete your master promissory note. You will be filling out the MPN for the first thing on here, the MPN for subsidized or unsubsidized loans. You go right over here and you log in to start. Again, you do have to log in with your FSA ID, which is the same FSA ID that you would have filed your FAFSA with. The next step is entrance counseling. So after you complete your master promissory note, you are also required to complete entrance counseling. This is a federal student loan requirement. So again, you can get there by following it from our financial aid website. This will link you out to the federal site. Again, you can go up to complete the aid process and click on complete your entrance counseling. Essentially, what entrance counseling is making sure that the student understands that this is a loan, that it will need to be repaid, and it goes through some of the steps of taking out your loan and what happens when repayment starts. All students are required to complete entrance counseling before those loan funds will be disbursed to the university. So again, those are the next 2 steps in the financial aid process. We encourage all students to take care of filling out their MPN and their loan entrance counseling before May 15th of 2020. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email financial aid at financialaid@gannon.edu. Thank you.